Very good morning, 7th class. Welcome back, students. Today we shall continue with chapter number 2, Number System and Introduction. So, let's start the topic of today with page number 21, Binary to Decimal Conversion. I have told you already, binary number system is that number system that will have the base 2, and decimal conversion and decimal number system will contain the base 10. Here we are having the binary number, that is 10101, and we have to convert that base 2 into 10, right? To convert a number in binary system to decimal number system, follow the given steps. First one is मल्टीप्लाई ईच डिजिट बाय टूज़ एन. हर एक डिजिट को जो है 2 की रेस टू पावर एन मीन एन पोजीशन. अगर वो फर्स्ट नंबर पे है फर्स्ट से सेकंड नंबर पे है सेकंड जो है वो एन होगा, थर्ड है वो थर्ड नंबर जो है एन होगा, लेकिन स्टार्टिंग जो है हर एक डिजिट की दैट विल बी फ्रॉम 2 रेस टू पावर 0, वेयर एन इज़ द पोजीशन ऑफ द बिट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0 फ्रॉम एक्सट्रीम राइट ऑफ द इंक्रीजिंग द पावर बाय 1 फॉर द नेक्स्ट राइट डिजिट. स्टेप 2, ऐड द रिज़ल्ट. इन सबको जो है डिजिट को रेस टू पावर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद जो रिज़ल्ट आएगा उसको ऐड कर देना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ दीज example that are given in a book. First start with the conversion of number 10101. Here listen to me carefully, very carefully even. We are having first, that is the first number, and we will multiply it with the value 2 raised to power 0 because it's a position, the position of this number start from the 0. Something multiplied by 0 will be 1 and something multiplied by 1 will be 0. It's a rule of the number system. Here 2 raised to power 0 will be 1 and 1 into 1 will be 1. Next is 2 raised to power 1 is equal to 0 and 0 into 0 is equal to 0. Next is 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Next is 2 raised to power 3, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 0 is equal to 0 because we are having this number 0 in the position third number 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 1 will be multiplied by 2 raised to power 4, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So here after multiplying we will get the number like this. And what was the rule? We have to multiply. After multiplication we have to add these all numbers. So look here, very carefully understand this concept also. After getting all the result of multiplication we will add, like 16 and 4 will be 19, 20 and 21, and base after conversion will become decimal, that is 10. Remember, Gottfried Leibniz was the inventor of binary system. Binary system को किसने जो है फाइंड आउट किया था? Gottfried Leibniz ने. Recap zone में we have done in this chapter, number system is a way to represent number using some unique symbol. हर एक नंबर जो है वो यूनिक सिंबल को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, जैसे ओक्टल के लिए 8, हेक्साडेसिमल के लिए 16, राइट. डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम बेस 10, बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम बेस 2, ओक्टल नंबर सिस्टम बेस 8, hexadecimal number system base 16, and we will use the word radix for the word base, right. I hope these all topic that we have discussed today is clear to all of you. If you people are having any doubt, then you people can ask me anytime. Thank you.